President Draupadi Murmu today presented the National Sports and Adventure Awards 2023 at a function in Rashtrapati Bhavan. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the country's largest global trade show today at Gandhinagar, one day ahead of the vibrant Gujarat Global Summit 2024. The torch relay for the 5th Meghalaya Games was flagged off today from Shillong. Sports Minister Shaklyar Vajri was also present on the occasion. Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh has reached London on a two-day visit focusing on all aspects of India-UK defence partnership. Several organizations in Maldives have called for positive relations between Maldives and India while calling the posts and comments by the suspended Maldivian deputy ministers as irresponsible.